will see how we can download and install TILOS, time location scheduling tool, done by the company Trimble. You need to go to communities, here's public communities. Further, you need to search for TILOS. Now, on this page, you will see different resources to be able to learn the tool and so on. I recommend our training that is very practical. And here you can, on their website, click on downloads. In order to be able to download the tool, you need first to sign in. Okay, so let's sign in. After you sign in, you'll be able to see releases and so on. So let's go and see what is the latest version. So you have Trimble Drawing, no, TILOS. So TILOS latest release. Now we'll go to the download page. And if you are looking for the English versions, the latest one is 11.1. And here the download is starting, so like that you can have the tool. Then you have only to open it and follow the installation process.